so fracking awesome. Gun Club 2 is PPSH.
You might want to try going somewhere. Oh my god, it's shaking!
Well, no one's at B.
Then no, go to B.
Cool, I'm on Thompson.
Can you kill someone or get killed, please?
What?
Are you playing
Oh, there's
Demolition?
B. The one you said was not.
Diffuse B. You know what I don't like about this this World War II weapons pack is that you actually have to click the stupid magazine thing on the side to reload. You can't slide out the magazine yourself.
Well, that happens with everyone, Tony. I don't know why.
Go, 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 go! 3, 2, 1. You're a lifesaver! 5 milliseconds left! Oh.
Luke, your head.
Suck it. Sitting on that.
Tony, doesn't this thing come with a little tripod? Couldn't we set it up and not have to
It
film
doesn't
this?
come with it. You have to buy something.
Could have told me that. I would have brought over my tripod.
Hey, assholes.
You have a tripod?
Diffuse A.
I have 2 of them. Actually, I have a big one and 2 little
I'm
ones.
sure they do.
Holy.
I'm positive. They all have the same little screw
Yeah.
dealie on the bottom.
That's cool. What is this, Lee Enfield? Oh no, it's an M1 Garand.
Get that motherfucker!
Oh. Ah. Shit.
There's 2 of them going. You was screwed.
Yeah, because all my teammates are douchebags.
You got blown up.
M1 Garand is pretty cool.
Ow.
SVT-40.
Is this thing supposed to get hot?
Yeah. Everything heats up.
My
Okay.
teammates are total douchebags. They don't know how to do anything.